Hi everyone, I'm Steadfast227D7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix the one-eyed trucks problem. So as you can tell, that this one is on and then this one is not. It works both for the high and lows, the problem. Now this is quite a common issue in these 4th gens, primarily because the wiring that goes into the back of the headlight housing is so cheaply made that it just wears out over time from the movement of the truck and from the heat from the bulb. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go online and get this from Mopar. It was only $17 and change, free shipping, and it's just the replacement of the headlight wiring that's right behind this inner casing. It's fairly simple. All you just plug it out, pull it out, put this in, plug it in, and you're good to go. Now when you get to this problem where you want to make sure that it definitely is this, is that you want to switch the bulbs around. If this bulb works in that housing, obviously it is not the bulb because the bulb is working. So that came to the conclusion that that was the issue because I've been going over it so long. If you wiggle the wire, then it will come on, so I know it's the wiring issue itself. So that's how you're going to be able to come down to the determination that it's just the wiring itself and it's not the bulb itself. So what you're first going to do is you're going to obviously want to pop the hood. You're going to want to take off the grill. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding this grill on and then clips down the bottom. You're going to take it right off and you're going to pull it out. Now when you come to the headlight, there's 1 and there's 2 and then that's it, and then there's the clips in the back. You're going to want to take it off. You're going to pull it off pretty snugly, but you want to be gentle so you don't snap the clips. Now once you take this off, this is where it's going to come down to the stuff that's inside, and I'm going to show you on how to swap it out coming up. Alright, so there's 4 bolts showing up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these casings off. It's the internal wire itself. So you're just going to unplug this. You're going to unplug this one. Take off the suction cup thing here. Out. And everything slides out. Remember, the orange goes down at the bottom. And the gray one goes up at the top. That's out, and then this hunk of junk, put it aside. You're gonna get the new one. You wanna make sure that you match it up so that it looks similar. It does, just different colors. So these headlights here are a little bit aftermarket, so it might be a little snug for the grommet part. But anyways, different colors, but the same thing. So the clear is gonna go with this. The gray and the black obviously is going to go with the orange and the black. So you're going to feed them through. This one's going to go up to the top like last time. It's probably going to be a little difficult. So you're going to get your finger in there. And just going to keep feeding it through. Now once that comes up, you probably want to plug it right in right away so that way it doesn't drop right back down. It's going to clip right back right in, nice and easy. I'm trying to run away on it here. And then this one is fairly simpler because you can get your finger right up in there. Now plug it in so that way it don't run away on you. After you've got this piece in here, for the aftermarket ones, you're gonna have to look at the face of this, and there's 3 little tabs you might have to cut into it. As you can look, it kind of looks stock now because it snips in their place. It's not wobbling at all. You're gonna come on over here. You're gonna put on your little cavity caps. This is aftermarket. Plug them on in. Gotta give this one a little bit of push. And once these slide down, it means they're in there good, not coming out. Slide in. There's a little pin here. You're gonna take it, you're gonna clip it right on. That's stripped out. Psych. just tighten them up, remember, like I said, a little bit, then go forward, because you tighten one up on the other side, the holes might not align right. You're going to go ahead, you're going to put it on your grill. There's clips on the bottom that slide right into here, and then you're going to also align it up so the holes up on top of the grill as well. Lights on, and then the highs off, eyes, all good. I'm Steadfast 2277. Comment below. I'll answer your questions about the headlight thing if you have any questions. Smash that red subscribe button. Take care. Have a great day.